Hi, fabulous phonics friends. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to talk about an long A vowel pair. So today we're going to talk about AI, and when we see this in the middle of a word, it says A. The video that we have today is going to have AI and AY with it. So let's take a look and see what words we can learn that have AI in them.
Hey man, this is gonna make you really cool at spelling. Just listen to this. A-I and A-Y both make the sound A. Hey! So how do you know which one to spell? Man, this is so confusing. You wanna know how to do it? Well, get ready. Here it comes. A-I goes in the middle and A-Y goes at the end. Yeah, it's as easy as that, man. Remember, AI goes in the middle like in brain. And AY goes at the end like in play. Just watch out for the words with a tail. Playing and player have tails. Tails that join on to the end of the body, man. So you use AY at the end of the body before you put on the tail. Got that? You're gonna be so cool at spelling now.
All right, so let's just remember that when we have a Y, it is at the end. And when we have a I, it is in the middle. So that's what we are learning about today. Let's go ahead and take a look at our learning target. And today it says, I can create real words using a vowel pair. So I can sound out words. I will know I have it when I I can create words that have the AI in them. So today we're looking at the hunk and chunk, but we also call it a vowel pair. And we know the rule that when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. AI is usually found in the middle of a word, just like they said in the video. And so just to get you thinking a little bit, I want to rhyme some words with you. So the vowel pair AI rhymes with pain and rain. So our sentence today says AI, rain, rain. You're a pain. Can you do it with me? AI, rain, rain. You're a pain, especially if you want to go out for recess or to have some downtime at home. You definitely do not want rain. And not only is it rain, but it's cold outside. We don't like that either. Let's go ahead and let's make some words that have AI in them. Now, there are several different words that have different endings, but the one that we're going to use today is the ending of N. So the ending's going to say ain, like pain. So let's go ahead and let's write pain on our whiteboards or our phonics cards or whatever you use to do your practice with. So first we have pain. And like I said, we're going to leave AI in today and we're going to change the beginning sound. So let's go ahead and erase the P. And this time let's put an R there because this matches our sentence that we looked at earlier. So now we have rain, rain, you're a pain. So we have rain. Now when you take off your R, and this time instead of putting one letter, I'd like for us to put a blend. And we're going to do the blend pla, pla. So we have pl, ain, which is plain. Mrs. Roy talked to us about the plains. They are very flat as we're going out west across the U.S. They are flat plains, flat pieces of land. Okay, we also have plain white paper. The last one that we're going to do today together for this practice is TR. TR says tr, tr. So we have TR, train, train. Now today you're going to go ahead and practice some other words and rhymes that you can think of with your teacher. There are also other endings. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other endings that you might want to talk about today with your teacher. We just did pain, so the AIN. There's also words that rhyme with mail, AIL, and there's words that rhyme with aid, paid. So you're going to create a chart of just some rhymes for those 3 words. I've also included a chart if you want to look back at it, and it has a bunch of different AI words at the top. And then it also gives you some AY words at the bottom. And those are the words that have A at the end of a word. Okay, so you guys, today in your practice, you are going to, in the box, read the words, and there's only one word this time that has 2 syllables. So we're still practicing a couple of syllable words. You need to read the words and decide which one has 2 syllables and circle that word in blue. I also like it if you'll circle the words that you can read, so you're sounding out those sounds and we can see what you're reading. Also, don't forget to do a reflection on just this letter combination. So just AI. If you read those words on the chart and you can sound those out, you've got it. You can do it on your own. That's a 3. If you still need help sounding out those sounds and putting the word together, that's a 2. So that means you still need a little practice, but you're able to get some of them. If you're rating yourself as a level 1 and you need some help, make sure you reach out to your teacher and you let her know that you cannot sound out these words. You're still struggling with some of those sounds because there are other tips that we can do to help you with some of those sounds. So make sure that you're doing an honest rating for yourself. Also, as you're reading through today, reading through your reading lesson or doing your own independent reading today, as you go through, look and see if you can find some AI words. Every now and then, those phonics sounds that we're practicing each day will pop up in our reading. You guys have a lot of fun exploring your reading today, and I will see you soon.